BESEN is a professional EVSE manufacturer with a history of 12 years. We are committed to providing customers around the world with more efficient, more stable, and safer charging products. BESEN provides customers with multiple EV product solutions thanks to our rich project experience. Our perfect product system can meet various needs of customers. All our products have stable performance and can be used safely in all environments. Our factory is strictly controlled and owns multiple factory management system certifications such as IATF16949 and ISO 9001. The advanced production technology is a strong guarantee for us to provide efficient, stable, and safe EV products. BESEN's export data has ranked #1 on Alibaba for 5 consecutive years, which is the world's largest B2B procurement platform. Strong and stable production capacity allows us to produce 30,000 plus control boxes, 20,000 plus wall boxes, and 50,000 plus cables per month. BESEN has won the recognition of more and more consumers in the world. We not only produce professional EV charging products, but also customize ODM and OEM solutions for customers all over the world. Our professional, efficient, and enthusiastic customer service team can help customers deal with all kinds of problems and provide professional after-sales service in time. Our products have comprehensive quality certifications, including CE, TUV, UL, ETL, FCC, CCC, etc., which meet the standards of all target markets. BESEN is being chosen by more and more customers all over the world for professional solutions, strong production capacity, advanced R&D technology, and responsible service attitude. BESEN, leading the EV charging to a better way.